Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 6, OV 111. असो पुढे पुआन प्रती दीक्षित तेव्हा परमप्रीती म्हणती विचारीन बाबांची संमती दिधल्या निश्चिती कळवीन. Later on, Dikshit very lovingly told Pua that he would ask for Baba's permission and if it was granted, he would definitely let him know. पत्र येता शिर्डीस यावे वाट खर्ची लागी न भ्यावे तदर्थ न लगे आपणाची जावे निशंक असावे मनात. As soon as you receive the letter, come to Shirdi. Do not worry about the travelling expenses. You will not have to bear them. Have no doubts about it. असो पुढे दीक्षित गेले बाबांनी अनुमोदनही दिधले बाळाबुवा शिर्डीस आले दर्शन घडले यथेष्ट. Later, Dikshit preceded Balabua. Baba gave his permission. Balabua came to Shirdi and had darshan to his heart's content. साई बाबा ही सन्मुख सगळा रामनवमीचा उत्सव सोहळा बाळाबुवांच्या हस्ते घेतला करवुनी नवलाव प्रेमाने. Sai Baba got the elaborate festival of Ram Navami performed in his presence with great love at the hands of Balabua. बाळाबुवा ही मनी तुष्टले चिंतिले कार्य पार पडले साई ही प्रसन्न चित्त जाहले मनोरथ पुरले सर्वांचे. Balabua was happy at heart. The objective had been fulfilled. Sai was also pleased. Thus, everyone's wishes were fulfilled. संभावना ही यथास्थित शतोपरी 50 रुपये घ्यावया आज्ञा होत आनंद अपरिमित बुवास. His expectations were more than fulfilled. Rupees 150 was ordered to be received by him and Pua was extremely happy. पंचवार्षिक कवठ्याची प्राप्ती एकाच उत्सवी बाबा देती बाळाबुवा कान आनंदती आभारी होती बाबांचे. Why shouldn't Balabua be happy when Baba gave as much earnings as he would have had in 5 years in Kauthe for one festival? Thus, he was indebted to Baba. असो पुढे एके दिवशी दासगणू येता शिर्डीसी देवविला प्रार्थुनी बाबासी उत्सव प्रतिवर्षी तयास. Later on, when Dasganu was once in Shirdi, Baba, on being so entreated, entrusted Dasganu with the performance of the Kirtan at the festival every year. तेथुनी पुढे हा कालवरी होत आहे जन्मोत्सव गडगजरी अन्न संतर्पण आकंठवरी महारापोरी आनंद. Since then, till this day, the Janmotsav is celebrated with a lot of pomp and pageantry. Food is distributed to the heart's content, and the poor and downtrodden are happy. समाधीच्या महाद्वारी मंगल वाद्यांची गजरी साई नामघोष अंबरी आनंद निर्भरी कोंदाटे. At the main gate of the Samadhi Mandir, accompanied by the music played by the traditional instruments like Changbada and Shehnai, the chant of Baba's name resounds in the skies and the atmosphere is suffused with joy. जैसी यात्रा वा उरुस, तैसेच स्फुरले गोपाळ गुंडास, की त्या जीर्ण मशिदीस रूप गोंडस आणावे. Just as he had thought of the yatra and the urus, Gopal Gund was inspired in the same manner to give a new look to the old dilapidated masjid.